Alright folks, so what's up? In this video I'm actually going to be walking you through one of the recent cases that I encountered on my account and how am I handling it. So this is Rish coming back at you from Republic of Sellers, and we are one of the truest sources of information on YouTube and on the internet to learn about private label, e-commerce, starting your business on Amazon, and entrepreneurship in general. Right then, without any further ado, let's get in the video and let me exactly tell you what happened and what did the customer message me, and then how did I manage to tackle and address it. Alright, so I hope you can see my screen now. So basically what happened was, one of my customers who has already ordered 2 units in the past just sent me a message saying, love watching the kids playing with it. Little one destroyed the instruction page. Anyway, I can get another copy. Now, when I read something like that, there are 2 things that I can do. I can either ignore the message altogether. The customer may really not care much because they're practically happy with the product. They just don't have the instruction page anymore because their kids kind of destroyed it. Or I can actually just send them a PDF copy of the instruction manual, and they should be pretty much happy with it because they can go ahead to a local print shop and just get it printed, and it'll be as good as new, and they can actually get it printed as many times as they want. Now, those are the 2 ways that you can basically go ahead and handle this, right? So here's what I wrote. Let me show you my response. Hey Leon, we are so glad to hear back from you and happy to know that your little ones are enjoying our brand name. How many units did you order? I guess I missed a word in that sentence, but I believe the customer still understood it. I'll do something better for you. Just send us your complete address here once again and we shall send you another unit. How does that sound? Looking forward to your response. Do connect with us on social as well. Thank you, Rish, CEO, brand name. So let me exactly tell you my mindset here, because that is more critical for you to understand instead of just copying and pasting this idea every time you get a message from the customer. So here's what I kind of intend to expect out of this whole episode, right? So I could have, like I said, I could have either ignored the message or sent them a PDF, but I chose the third way, wherein I actually interact with them once again, apart from the 3 initial emails that I've already sent, which are like automated emails which get fired when customer places an order. But instead, I wanted to kind of connect with them once again. I took this as an opportunity to connect with them once again and build an even deeper connection. This is what kind of helps you get your brand out there, all right? If we do this action, right, if we go that extra mile with one of the customers, they will be super proud about our brand. They will fall in love with our brand, and they will remember our brand whenever they need to shop again, especially if they want to shop in the same category, right? And even better than that, they will go ahead and suggest our brand and our product to their friends, their other family members, and everybody else in the community. And they might also end up sharing this on the social network whenever somebody kind of asks them that, hey, this is the occasion, this is we want to get a gift for that person, toy for this person, do you have any suggestion? At that point of time, they will remember us because we did this special thing for them. We went an extra mile, and we went out of the way and basically showed them that how important their order was and they were for our brand as a customer. So when I sent that message, I believe 2 days later, on the 21st, I received this response from them which said, thank you for your generous offering. So this directly basically means that they are like super excited about what we are offering them, and that is a free unit. We purchased 2 sets and the instructions got destroyed. Our address is XYZ. Sincerely, Leon XYZ. So that is what has happened, that they have sent me the address. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and create the order for them and send them this particular product. All right. Now I'm actually kind of wondering whether I should just send them 2 units, because that'll make them crazy happy, and I can kind of digest that cost, because my product's landing cost is not a lot. And even though I'll end up paying the shipping charges, the Amazon fees for both of those orders, or that one order which has 2 units, I think it is still worth it in the long run. This is like, sending something to an influencer and kind of making them super happy, so happy that they end up talking about our brand themselves, right? You know what? I'm actually just going to go ahead and send them 2 orders for the heck of it, and I will also kind of log it right now on the screen, because you are kind of my witness that I am doing this. Right, so let's go ahead and create an order for them on our end, and let me exactly show you, if you are in this scenario, how do you create an order for the customer and send them a product. So to create the order, I'm actually going to go ahead and go to my manage FBA inventory section, and then I'm actually just going to find the product that I want to send. Click on the drop down right here and click on this option which says create fulfillment order, right? So that is how you basically send out a product to somebody, maybe your customer, maybe an influencer, from your Amazon FBA reserve or warehouse. So once I do that, I will basically land on this page wherein I can go ahead and add in all of the different information that I need to add in, and then I can just kind of hit continue and send this order out to them. Let's do this. Alright, so I've actually went ahead and filled up all of the information that I had. Now I must kind of walk you through some important bits here, which I kind of realized while I was filling this. Number one, I don't have the customer's email address. So what I did was I basically just picked up the email address that Amazon shows me on the screen, and I just put this here because maybe Amazon can still send an email on this email address, and it'll probably be routed to the customer's email address affiliated with their Amazon account. And second, you kind of need to create an order ID for this order, and that is something that you can create yourself. So I don't know if this will work, but at the moment I've kind of inserted this order ID, as you see on the screen, which is basically a combination of the name of the customer, the year, the number of units that I'm sending, FBA, and the date that I'm sending it on. Right now, this is important. In the comments section, I've actually went ahead and written a short message for the customer, again to kind of re-emphasize and solidify the connection that we are trying to make with them as a brand. So here's what I've written. Hello Leon, we appreciate your patience and we want you to have 2 more units for your little ones. Hope they enjoy. Do connect with us once you receive them. Let me just go ahead and add another line. Have a great 2020 ahead. Thank you, with love, team, brand name, right? And then all I had to do was basically mention 2 in the number of units ordered, so that Amazon goes ahead and sends out 2 units to them, right? Then I'll just go ahead and hit continue and see what happens. If everything is all good, it'll probably move smoothly forward. All right, great. So once you hit continue, this is what you see. All right, let's go over it one bit at a time. So choose fulfillment action, ship this inventory, hold this inventory. All right, so just select ship this inventory. Choose a shipping speed, standard delivery, get it delivered. Let's see if the price changes. Change units or items. Alright, I guess we cannot change this, or it does change. Alright, cool. So if I select standard delivery, the product will be delivered by, I guess, within the next 6 days, and the total fee that I'll have to pay is 7.8 USD. If I select 2-day shipping, the total fee is coming to 9.6, and if I select 1-day shipping, the total fee is coming to 15.6, which is almost double the rate of standard shipment. I'm actually just going to go ahead and select standard shipment because the customer would anyways be super happy about the product itself, so they can kind of be a bit patient as well. And that's it. Now I think once we hit place order on the screen, the order should be placed. And last time I did this, I couldn't actually figure out where can I get the tracking ID for this product. So if I do get that tracking ID this time, I'm actually going to be informing the customer proactively that, hey, I've already sent the product, this is the tracking ID, and yeah, you can expect it to arrive by the 29th of January, right? That'll kind of let me have another bit of communication with them, and they'll be super happy to know that, hey, the order is actually on the way, this is the tracking ID, it is coming from Amazon, and bang on, like, we love this brand. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on place order. Alright, let's see what happens, because it's been a while since I've done this myself. Alright, so I guess this is just the confirmation screen. As you can see, the success message is here. Your order was placed. These are the details. This is the summary on the screen, and I guess that's it. Alright, so but we are not done now. We have sent the order to the customer, but now there is another opportunity for us to have an interaction with them, and I'm not going to leave any opportunity that I get to interact with the customer on the table unattended. Right? So whenever I get a chance to interact with the customer, I really love to do that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to my messages. I'm actually going to type in a message for them, and here's what I have written, and this kind of give you a sense about what can you write in this scenario. So again, like, Helium, your order is on its way. Amazon says it's being shipped by standard delivery, and it should arrive at your doorstep by the 29th of January. Hope you receive it soon. Please do be in touch and let us know once you receive it. With love, Rish and team brand name. Right. So yeah, that's like the icing on the cake. Now I'm basically going ahead and informing them that, hey, I've actually sent out the order. You just have to be a bit patient and expect the surprise and the order at your doorstep as soon as possible. Also, if you have noticed, I did not really tell them that I've sent 2 units. So that is basically attacking the element of surprise in the psychology of anybody's brain. So basically they are kind of expecting at the moment that they are going to be receiving 1 free unit from us, but when they open the box, they will figure out that I have actually sent 2, and that'll literally, I don't know what chemical it'll fire in their brain, but I'm damn sure that it'll fire some chemical in their brain, and that'll kind of hype their motivation about the brand and hype their motivation to reach out to us. That is what I'm actually going to be expecting and hoping to get on my receiving end. Alright then, so you should subscribe to the channel, because I will keep you posted, and I will probably make a follow-up video on this if I get another response from them, and if I kind of lead this to a social media post or maybe a review on Amazon. Alright folks, so that is how I kind of handled this situation, wherein I received a message from the customer. The customer was already happy with our product. He just wanted the insert manual once again, and it's not like he was upset or anything that I had to kind of either reimburse him or send him a free unit, but I still chose to do that because currently he's happy, and this would actually make him super happy, and therefore they will be even more obliged to remember the brand and maybe even create a good put a good review on Amazon along with pictures, and maybe on the social media front as well, because the inserts actually do have the social media handles printed on them. So the next time they receive these 2 units, they would probably pay attention and try to kind of reach out to us by reading the instruction manual once again. So that is how I handle this situation. That is how I operate. That is why I believe a lot of my methods are quite unique. I guess that is a good enough pitch for myself for you to check out Private Label School. I believe by the time you watch this video, it's live, or it should be going live in a few days. So Private Label School is the one place of information where you can come in and learn everything about starting your own private label business on and off Amazon. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and please like this video, because I've been like trying to bring out whatever is happening in my day-to-day life and how I operate in front of you as best as I can. Alright then, I will see you in the Republic of Sellers group. Until then, this is Rish signing off. only to come back to you again with more good stuff.